Game on, your financial field awaits. Imagine a star quarterback throwing a game-winning touchdown. Picture a basketball player sinking a buzzer-beater shot. Now, envision yourself achieving financial freedom. It feels good, right? Just like in sports, achieving financial success requires discipline, strategy, and a game plan. This isn't about being a financial expert. It's about taking control of your money. It's about making your money work for you. We're going to use the exciting world of sports to understand personal finance better. Are you ready to score big? Think of your finances as a game. Every financial decision is a play. Your choices determine whether you win or lose. But don't worry, I'm your coach in this game. We'll work together to build your financial dream team. Get ready to tackle your finances head on. Let's get in the game and start winning with money. Coach's Corner, reviewing the game tape of your finances. Every great coach will tell you that the key to improvement lies in understanding your past performance. You can't improve what you don't track. This principle is as true in sports as it is in personal finance. In football, we analyze game footage to identify weaknesses and capitalize on strengths. Coaches and players spend hours dissecting every play, every move, and every decision made during the game. Personal finance is no different. Just as a coach reviews game tape, you should review your financial documents. Think of your bank statements, credit card bills, and receipts as your game tape. They are the records of your financial decisions, the plays you've made with your money. These documents tell the story of your financial life. They reveal your spending habits, your saving patterns, and your investment choices. By reviewing them, you gain valuable insights into your spending habits. You can see where your money is going, identify areas where you might be overspending, and find opportunities to save. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Jimmy Johnson, former Dallas Cowboys coach. This quote highlights the importance of attention to detail. Just like Coach Johnson's attention to detail led the Cowboys to Super Bowl victories, your attention to your finances can lead you to financial victory. It's about making those small, consistent efforts that add up over time. Track your income and expenses diligently. Use a spreadsheet or a budgeting app to keep a detailed record of every dollar that comes in and goes out. Identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's that daily coffee shop visit or those impulse online purchases. Small changes can make a big difference. Look for opportunities to save more. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or start a savings jar for loose change. Remember, knowledge is power. By reviewing your financial game tape, you gain the knowledge to make smarter decisions and improve your financial performance. This process is not a one-time event, but a continuous practice. Regularly reviewing your finances helps you stay on track and adjust your strategies as needed. Set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having specific goals gives you something to work towards. Celebrate your financial milestones. Recognize and reward yourself for the progress you make. This will keep you motivated and committed to your financial journey. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Keep reviewing, keep adjusting, and keep striving for improvement. Your financial game tape is your roadmap to a secure and prosperous future. Building your financial dream team. Income as your starting lineup. Just like in sports, where the starting lineup sets the tone for the game, your income sets the foundation for your financial journey. In sports, a strong starting lineup is crucial for success. The same principle applies to your finances. A solid income is essential for achieving your financial goals and dreams. Your income is your financial starting lineup. It's the primary source of funds that allows you to cover your basic needs, save for the future, and invest in opportunities that can grow your wealth. It's the foundation of your financial game plan. Without a reliable income, it becomes challenging to build a strong financial future. Therefore, it's crucial to focus on maximizing your earning potential. A diversified income stream is like having a team with a strong offense and defense. Just as a sports team needs players with different skills, your financial plan benefits from multiple income sources. Your job is your star player, your main source of income. It's the cornerstone of your financial strategy, providing the stability and resources needed to pursue other financial opportunities. But just like a team needs a deep bench, explore additional income sources. Having a backup plan and alternative income streams can provide financial security and flexibility. A side hustle, investments, or rental income can act as your power players, boosting your earnings. These additional sources of income can help you achieve financial independence and reach your goals faster. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs, Apple co-founder. Finding passion in your work can lead to greater job satisfaction and higher income potential. Find a career you love and it won't feel like work. When you're passionate about your job, you're more likely to excel and advance in your career, leading to increased income and financial stability. Passion fuels success, both on and off the field. Whether you're an athlete or a business professional, having a strong drive and dedication can lead to remarkable achievements and financial rewards. Remember, your income is your team's strength. It's the driving force behind your financial success, enabling you to build wealth and achieve your dreams. Build a strong lineup, and you'll be well on your way to financial victory. By focusing on maximizing your income and diversifying your income streams, you can create a solid financial foundation and secure a prosperous future. Section 4. Dividing the field. Categorizing expenses for strategic spending. Imagine a football field divided into zones. Each zone has a specific purpose and function, just like different areas of your finances. Each zone represents a different area of your finances. Think of it as a strategic game plan for your money. This is where you categorize your expenses. By doing so, you can see exactly where your money is going and make informed decisions. Categorizing expenses gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. It helps you understand your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Housing, utilities, and groceries are your essential zones. These are the basic necessities that you need to cover to maintain your standard of living. These are your non-negotiables, the core expenses you need to cover. Without these, your daily life would be significantly impacted. Transportation, entertainment, and dining out are your discretionary zones. These are the areas where you have more control and flexibility. These are areas where you have more flexibility to adjust your spending. You can decide to cut back on these expenses if needed to save more money. It's not about how much you make, but about how much you keep. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This quote emphasizes the importance of managing your expenses wisely. By dividing your expenses into zones, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. This strategic approach allows you to allocate your resources more effectively. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest in your future. Saving money today can lead to financial security and opportunities tomorrow. Control your spending, and you control your financial destiny. By being mindful of your expenses and making strategic decisions, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure future. It's important to involve your family in the budgeting process. When everyone understands the financial plan, it becomes easier to stick to it and work towards common goals. Set clear financial goals and track your progress regularly. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your objectives. Regularly review your bank statements and financial reports. This will help you stay on top of your expenses and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate your financial milestones. Achieving your savings goals and managing your expenses effectively is a significant accomplishment. Plan for the future by considering long-term investments and retirement savings. The earlier you start, the more secure your financial future will be. Educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and manage your money wisely. Utilize financial tools and apps to help you manage your budget. These resources can provide valuable insights and make the process easier. Seek advice from financial experts or mentors. Their experience and knowledge can guide you in making sound financial decisions. A well-structured financial plan is key to achieving your goals. Regularly update and review your plan to ensure it aligns with your changing needs and circumstances. Confidence in your financial management can lead to a more fulfilling and stress-free life. Take control of your finances and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with it. Ultimately, the goal is to achieve financial independence. By categorizing your expenses and managing your money wisely, you can reach this milestone and enjoy the freedom it brings. Section 5. Keeping score, tracking spending for financial clarity. In any game, the scoreboard tells the story. In personal finance, tracking your spending is like keeping score. It shows you how you're doing financially. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook to track your income and expenses. The price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand. Vince Lombardi, former Green Bay Packers coach. Just like Coach Lombardi's relentless pursuit of excellence, your commitment to tracking your spending will lead to financial clarity and control. Knowing where your money is going empowers you to make informed decisions. Remember, tracking your spending isn't about deprivation, it's about awareness and making conscious choices with your money. Section 6. Halftime adjustments, reviewing and revising your financial game plan. Halftime in a football game is a time for adjustments. The same principle applies to your finances. Regularly review your budget and make necessary changes. Life is dynamic, and your financial plan should be too. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker and Abraham Lincoln. Just as a coach adjusts the game plan based on the opponent, you need to adapt your budget based on your financial goals and circumstances. Are your expenses higher than expected? Is your income lower than anticipated? Don't be afraid to make changes to your game plan. Remember, flexibility is key. By making halftime adjustments, you stay ahead of the game and keep your finances on track.